Hello, sister. Well, today, let's show our whole family how we design a middle-aged shirt. She is a two-piece piece, and her hands will be arranged on top of the bottom of the ha, and there's this. We will wear this style. Wide to the body, not too wide and not too hugging. You can use this model, a selection of materials such as sand, silk, or sand to do. Now we're going to design this template together. The first step is to take a long part of the shirt. Long ago I took it. 58. This one is long. It depends on your height. And then we build a perpendicular line. Then you're going to be shoulder to shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. And then I'm going to measure a passage from here to here, that's 16. And then it's down to 4 inches. If you share the stock, you divide it by 30 divided by 5. That's equal to 6. Then I connect it in. Then lower the chest and we'll take the chest. Divided by year. If you add 2 to 80 divided by 5 plus 2, we get 18. Then we measure from the top horizontal line, down to 18 millimeters of gasoline. Then you'll get me the lower chest. That's equal to the chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Then from here we're going to take a line that's 22. And then I'm going to go down perpendicular. At this point, we build a road across. Then you will take the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 gives us 18. I took 18. From here to here I took the number 18. And the part of your ass you're going to take is your ass. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. Number 2 I put here. Then you're going to go up to this. Give me 2 inches. And I'll draw the line of the body first. And then we build a perpendicular line. Give me 2 bottles of gasoline in half. Let's split it into again. If you go to the neck, you will keep this neck. Here, this part is 6 inches. You're down to 6 for me. If I'm not used to drawing a round neck, then you will connect the road. Hey, come in. Then we split it in 2. Let's split it in half again. Then you'll draw me the neck splint. It's about 2 inches across here. Then we'll get the neck splint. This neck brace, you will cut it separately. Then that's the front body. And we're going to go on to the next body. After that, my sisters will be on their way. Up to inches. And here we reduce by a fraction. Cut a shit for the chest, but we give a fraction of that. Waist a piece of ass. If you come back, you will go to the line. It's like this. Before you go, you will go to the line. other essay table. Then the neck of the back, it's in this position. Then you'll come through this corner 4 inches. And we've also stretched over to inches. And we'll draw the neck splint of the back. Then you'll cut the back. Cut off the front. Girls glue. Then you sew it in your neck. If we wear it, she will hug it beautifully. Then if you finish the front part, I will start cutting the Arabic part. Please note that I am an Arab model. Yours is no seam. You have to leave the seams outside for us. 2. Fortunately, it just fits on the scale. If you do not leave the seam on, it will be tight more than the shirt. And look here if you like this one. Cut the garment without knowing how to sew directly on the fabric. Then comment below. If I get 10 comments, I will direct sewing cut on the instruction cloth for sisters. And now we will cut the part. Back body follow the red line ha. And then after you cut the body, following the red line, we're not going to have the bend part. It's because I'm comfortable packing. Then you'll reduce it. One body here. The chest, this will be the back. Later you will give me a body. This is a double fabric. And we've finished painting. Now we're going to start the part body before the front body. We cut the black line. Then I cut along the way. If we go black like this, we will get front body. This body is the front. Previously, ladies, this is a double layer cloth. And you'll notice, oh, this shirt, the old part, it will be held close to my neck. Yes, if I draw normally. If I cut it like this, I will not be able to plant it. Sew in the body later. When you're done, you can give me a drop of water. If you don't cut the water, when we cut the Arabic, the sisters, well, double that, you guys put the twists in. Let the sisters cut. Give me a rope that pulls the water in the back up to this neck. Then we can plant our heads. And watch it. Remember to like to support the channel. Thank you. Now I'm going to cut the sleeve. This shirt is a little weirder than usual. So first, we're going to draw this hand. If you put it here, it's 22. God before. 22 ha 22, then we will have 22 plus to 2, then ra 44. If you divide by 2, you're equal to 22. And before I started, I painted the hand. Then pay attention for me, those of you who have an ass. Waist measurement here. Bust measurement here. Here's another necklace. You're going to put those numbers in the place. I wrote it in red. You have to change those numbers according to your measurements. Just wear it. And this is just the size of the model I designed. Let's introduce the models, give it details. Remember to note for me. And then here we have 22. You're going to take that as a divide
chest.
by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5, you get 13. I took it down. From top to bottom, you're 13. Then we'll go around the corner. The curve is to 2, starting at the end is to 2. Pushing up here is 0. Then you split in half. I'm going down 1 inch and you're going up to inches. And I'm going to draw a long arm. Long arm section. And on this shirt, you can see the hands are down here, they're folded. There's a lot of cups, and each cup is a fraction. I'll give you the cleavage. This hand on the left is 7 inches. 7 cups ha. 7 glasses, you will multiply them. 1 will get 7. 7 cups of raw multiply for 1 raw. For example, this wrist, when you're done sewing, is equal to 13
then you will
glasses.
add up to 7.
7 petrol centimeter.
Then we'll get the hand here.
I just connected this hand. That's what it is, and here's my upper hand. Hands up here, ladies. It will also have a cleavage. 7 cups is for one side, hata sides are 14 cups. Well, the upper hand here, it's also folded, so you will arrange. Keep the lower part here in the upper hand, the first hand here. This first case I gave it 5 glasses. Every glass is a gasoline. Then you'll have from this paragraph you have 5. For a millimeter of gas, will be 5. I will be out this year. Okay, you guys are going to hook this up here. That we're going to get the first part. And at a midpoint. Here you go. Give me a glass of gasoline. I cut out 2 petrol per meter. There you are 1 2. A 2 bus side cure a to ba. Just give me 6, give it weight. 6 times 1 equals 6, so we're going to go this way. Here's so a
this
glass.
is 6.
Lie.
Over there too, we'll get our first glass.
And down here too.
Then you'll have a glass every 2 hours.
The glass we put in is just 1. 1 left. Is that it's going to be the distance between the 2 glasses? Then you'll cut a tuba for years 6, 7.
Yes, we will get the glass back.
Then we get back to the door. My hand is equal to 12. It depends on the fuel.
You have to measure the door on your body.
Maybe 10 minus 20.
46 something.
It depends.
I'll have to measure on the arm.
After you have done so, then we'll cut the sleeve. And this, ladies,
well, I don't cut it like that.
That we're going to cross, it's a perpendicular line. So here,
this will be the right angle. Then I'll model a glass for you.
For example, one side of this glass, let me put to gas in 1. 2 gasoline in 1. Here blue a ba. When you start to be lucky, the one on your paper is a little hard. But you sew on the fabric, it is soft for years ago. 6 here. And the glass in the middle of it is 7 when we are finished with this part. So we'll use scissors to cut it back. Put it all together like this, so that you may enjoy the glass. And lock this glass up to 5. You will be lucky. Hold tight. This part of the glass is so that it doesn't break. We can do one side. The rest of you do the same.
And on this hand, you'll do the same.
We put the glasses in. We will also be lucky.
It's like the lower arm.
That's it, ladies.
And we're going to get a hand model that has a folding
The glass
part.
is like the picture. I just finished sharing it for my whole family.
The way we've designed the template today.
Hello and see you later. I wish you success.